Well, here we have 3 tree swallows checking out my nesting box. And it's just one of 40. And they've been flying all night. They're just enjoying the sun and preening themselves. And hopefully will stick around and check out the other 40 nesting boxes I've got on the property. This is, well, maybe my favorite day of the year because this is the first time I've seen them this year. And they are amazing birds. They're insectivores. They've traveled all the way up from Mexico or Central America, and they eat a ton of mosquitoes and other flying insects, and they look spectacular as they fly through the air like flying cigars. They are amazing, and they're in decline, so we need to protect their population. Tree swallows. It's like they're wearing a tuxedo. What an amazing bird. And there goes a goose. Well, we like them too. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com. You have a great day too.